नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आओ। अब इस सारे सवाल में देखो, अब क्या करने हैं, पहले सबसे पहले क्या लगाने हैं, जो जनरल इफेक्ट्स हैं, अप्लाई ऑल दोज इफेक्ट। ओके, देन द फर्स्ट वन हैव प्लस एम इफेक्ट and minus I effect. Second one have only minus I because the group is attached on meta position. And the third one, in the third one group is attached at para, means plus M will operate along with minus I, and the last one have no effect. Okay, now we know that plus M will decrease the stability of anion. Stability of anion, what we have to find here, we have to find the acidic strength. For the acidic strength we have to remove all H first, remove the H, then apply negative charge, and whatever will be the order of stability of anion, that will be the order of acidic strength. Now plus M will decrease the stability, correct, but in this condition only inductive is operating, it will increase the stability. So second one will be more stable than the fourth one, because fourth one have no effect, second one have minus I will increase the stability of anion, matlab it have an additional effect which increase the stability of anion. That's why 2 will be more stable than 4. Now compare in between first and third. When you go to compare first and third, then first and third both have same plus M. Now minus I, first one will have higher minus I because distance is less. So here first then third, it should be the order of acidic strength or stability of anion. Now we have to include ortho effect. So this group will show ortho effect, it also shows ortho effect, then we will write is ortho effect. Now what will happen, due to the ortho effect, benzoic acid will be ortho substituted benzoic acid will be more acidic than benzoic acid, correct. Okay, so now in this condition, though this is the fourth one is the benzoic acid and this is ortho substituted, then the first should be more than fourth, then first should be more than fourth, then I know first will be more than fourth, but whether it will be more than second or not, that is difficult to know, correct. So we know that first will be more than 4 and fourth is more than third, there is no change up to this point. Now the problem is between 1 and 2, which one will be more acidic. Now see, first one have ortho effect, due to the ortho effect its acidic strength or stability of anion is more than benzoic acid, correct. Now second one has minus I, inductive effect. In comparison of ortho effect or inductive effect, always ortho will dominate, correct. Then what will be the order, ortho will dominate, then ortho will be more, ortho effect, these molecules will be more stable than the second one. Ortho effect dominate over minus I, its mean stability gained by ortho effect will be more than the stability gained by minus I effect, correct. Then the first one will be more stable than the second one, correct. First one will be more stable than second one, then remove this one, okay, then the first one, then second one. Is it correct? Order should be like this, but due to the ortho effect, what will happen, A should be above benzoic acid, the fourth one is the benzoic acid. Now the problem is that second one has minus I, it is more acidic than benzoic acid, then we have the doubt whether one will come in between 2 or 4 or above the 2. To compare that, what we use ortho effect and minus I comparison, and what I told you, ortho effect will dominate over inductive, correct. Then stability gained by ortho effect will be more than inductive, that's why one will be more stable than second. Is it correct? Basically what happened, एक्चुअल डाटा जो है वो 1 इक्वल टू 2 इक्वल टू ग्रेटर देन 4 एंड ग्रेटर देन 3, दैट इज द एक्चुअल डाटा। ये एक्चुअल प्रैक्टिकल जो डाटा वैल्यू से आता है वो ऑलमोस्ट ये बताता है कि ये दोनों फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल है। तो अगर आपको ये और ये दोनों ही मिले ना, दिस वन विल बी मोर करेक्ट। मगर इतना लेवल तक, इतने डीप लेवल तक नहीं पूछा जाता है। आप ये भी आंसर लिखेंगे तो चलेगा, क्योंकि ये जनरली ऑप्शन में नहीं होते। क्लियर है? बट अगर ऑप्शन में दोनों ही मिल जाए तो बेटर है कि आप इसको टिक करेंगे, बट इतने डीप लेवल तक सवाल नहीं आते जनरली। ओके, ये समझा? तो क्या है, ये वाला केस बाकी सारे केस से, पीछे वाले केस से डिफरेंट है। क्यों डिफरेंट है? क्योंकि पीछे वाले में प्लस आई लग रहा था, तो जो मेटा था, मेटा इज ऑलवेज लेस एसिडिक दैन बेंजोइक एसिड, बट इस कंडीशन में मेटा इज मोर एसिडिक दैन बेंजोइक एसिड। इसलिए हमें कंफ्यूजन आया कि ऑर्थो जो है वो बेंजोइक से तो ज़्यादा होगा मगर मेटा से कम होगा या ज़्यादा होगा। तो क्या बताया, इंडक्टिव पे क्या होता है हमेशा, ऑर्थो इफेक्ट डोमिनेट कर जाएगा। करेक्ट है? तो इस वाले में क्या करने हैं, मेटा से भी एक पोजीशन पहले रखने हैं। क्लियर है? समझा यहाँ तक? चलो नेक्स्ट सवाल पे आ जाओ। दिस वन, नाउ यू सी दिस, what I told you that in case of halogen we only apply inductive. So see here we are applying inductive, inductive, inductive and inductive, and as we know this one, you know that this one have lower electron density than fluorine. So acidic strength, order of acidic strength should be second greater than 1 greater than third greater than fourth। ये वाला ऑलरेडी पहले बता रखा हूँ इन दोनों का, है ना, हेलोजन इफेक्ट ऑफ हेलोजन बता रखा है। तो 2 will be greater than 1 greater than 3 and greater than 4। now we have to apply ortho effect because all the group are ortho at ortho position, ortho effect, ortho effect, ortho effect, and since group is different, their extent of ortho effect will be different। Iodine is most bulky group, and we know that as the steric hindrance increase, extent of ortho effect increase, the stability due to ortho effect will increase, means acidic strength due to ortho effect will increase। now see, it is the most bulky, then this one, then this one, then this one। so ortho effect of inductive is highest among this, then bromine, then chlorine, then fluorine, then stability due to ortho effect of iodine will be highest, correct, then the fourth one will be the first, correct, okay, fourth one will be first, then fourth one, then after which one will come, third one, not 2 and 1, in 2 and 1 we know that 2 is greater, and another factor is that ortho effect of 2 is greater than 1, that also increase their stability, okay, then it will be 2 and 1, this one will be the correct order, okay, yes। now come to the this topic। देखो ये जो अभी 4-5 केसेस में भी कराऊंगा, आप अगर दिक्कत हो तो आप इसका ऑर्डर याद रखें। इस सवाल में अगर आपको समझने में ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो तो आप इसका ऑर्डर याद रखें। मैं हर एक क्वेश्चन के लिए रीजन एक्सप्लेन करके दूंगा, बट रीजन याद रखने से अच्छा है कि आप ऑर्डर याद रखिए। एक लाइन का है, ऑर्डर याद रखें, और इसके बियॉन्ड नहीं पूछा जा सकता, कभी नहीं पूछा जाएगा। आपको इससे या इससे रिलेटेड ही सवाल आएंगे। तो अगर आप इनका ऑर्डर याद होगा तो आप बाकी सारे सवाल कर सकते हैं। क्लियर है? जितनी पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है, ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज़ के क्वेश्चन हमने इसमें डाले हैं। तो आप कुछ नहीं तो इसका ऑर्डर भी ध्यान में रखेंगे तो आपका सवाल गलत नहीं होगा। चलिए, तो यहाँ तक हो गए, इस सवाल पे आ जाओ। अब देखो, जो प्रीवियस केसेस था उससे ये केस डिफरेंट है। क्यों डिफरेंट है उसको देखें पहले। तो सबसे पहली बात हमने आपको ये बताई थी कि ऑर्थो इफेक्ट एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ में 2 फैक्टर को इंक्लूड करता है। एक हमारा SIR, दूसरा क्या होता है हमारा हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। एम आई राइट? हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, ओके। नाउ SIR के लिए हमने बताया था कि SIR तब अप्लाई करेंगे when the groups are bulky, but OH, the element of second periods are not steric, their size are less, so they do not apply steric hindrance, correct। Let's say OH, you see F fluorine, OH, NH2. These three do not apply steric hindrance, but CH3 apply steric hindrance. Because of 3H, their size will increase. But up to these three, up to NH2, their steric hindrance are not counted because they are very small in size. So in this question, ortho effect, in this question SIR is not applicable. Do ortho is applicable? Yes, that will be applicable by hydrogen bonding. Now see what we will do. At first remove the H, correct, remove the H, then apply नेगेटिव चार्ज हेयर 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 एंड हेयर. कुछ एक सवाल में मैंने अप्लाई नहीं किया है तो आप उसको खुद से कर लेंगे, करेक्ट है. नाउ सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. नाउ इन द फर्स्ट केस, सी द फर्स्ट केस we already discussed this one, but still you can check here. There will be hydrogen bonding between this H and O minus, correct, means there is a additional bond is forming. Bond formation means release of energy. Since energy is releasing, it means stability will increase, correct. This factor will increase the stability. Is it correct? That is also counted in ortho effect, means we can say here ortho effect is applicable. This time ortho effect is because of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding means inside the molecules. If hydrogen bonding is occurring inside the molecule, then we are saying it is intramolecular hydrogen bonding, correct. So this effect will increase the stability of anion. Since it is increase the stability of anion, means acidic strength will increase, correct. Okay, now apply this one. Now we will apply first thing what I told you, that we will apply basic effect then ortho effect. Now applying the basic effect, what we can say, OH have plus M and minus I, this have only minus I, this have plus M and minus I. यहाँ no effect, correct. Plus M will decrease the stability, मगर minus effect will increase. So we can say its order should be like 2, 4 and 1 and third. Compare between 1 and third. 1 have higher inductive than 1 and third. Write it third. This should be the order. It should be order. Now what we will do, we will apply ortho effect, correct. Now we will apply ortho effect, then first one have ortho effect, is it right? Fourth one have ortho effect, and what ortho effect say, ortho substituted benzoic acid are more acidic than benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is the fourth one, then means first one will be more acidic than fourth one, then first one should come above the fourth one. Now again the same condition, whether it will come before 2 or after 2. Then what I told you, ortho effect and inductive, which will dominate? Ortho. So what will you do, you will put 1 above 2, 1, 2, then 4, then third. That will be the correct order of acidic strength, correct. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, याद रखना ये सब. अगर नहीं भी समझ रहे हैं, आपको दिक्कत हो, याद नहीं रख पा रहे आप रीजन, कोई बात नहीं, मगर ऑर्डर याद होने चाहिए. क्लियर है? क्लियर है. और आई थिंक जो रीजन एक्सप्लेन किया वो आपको समझ में आया होगा, करेक्ट है. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट सवाल पे आ जाओ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दिस क्वेश्चन, सी दिस वन. अब देखो इस क्वेश्चन में हम लोग अभी सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते ये वाला सवाल. क्यों नहीं कर सकते? क्योंकि इसमें बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ का भी यूज़ है और बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ हमने अभी तक कवर नहीं किया है, करेक्ट है. बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ हमने अभी तक कवर नहीं किया है, इसलिए ये सवाल हमारे लिए थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाएगा. इसलिए इस सवाल को हम लोग अभी नहीं करेंगे. मगर इसका ऑर्डर क्या होगा मैं वो लिख के देता हूँ, आप लिख के रखेंगे कॉपी में, स्पेस छोड़ देंगे उतना सा. जब हम बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ कवर कर लेंगे तो उसके लास्ट में ये सवाल फिर से कराऊंगा, वहाँ जो एक्सप्लेन करूंगा उसको आप फिर से यहाँ पे नोट करेंगे. क्लियर है? कि सीक्वेंस में होना चाहिए, कुछ नहीं तो ऑर्डर याद होने चाहिए आपको. तो इसका ऑर्डर देखिए, इसका ऑर्डर क्या हो जाएगा. सबसे ज़्यादा इसमें जो सबसे ज़्यादा एसिडिक होता है, फोर्थ वन विल बी मोस्ट एसिडिक, then after fourth one meta will become, that will be second, after that para will become, sorry, para means third one, then ortho will come. Ortho is the first one. This will be the correct order. Just remember this for some time, only for 3 and 4 lecture. After that, as we complete the basic strength, I will explain it. Okay. Okay. Now come to the this thing. In ortho effect, for the acidic strength, two effects are there: Si iron, hydrogen bonding. In the hydrogen bonding, there are two type of hydrogen bonding. One after removing H, one without removing H. Now see this condition. What is happening? Let me add one page first. Okay. In case of carboxylic and OH group, what I did, O minus and O and H, then there was a hydrogen bonding, correct? That was the case. Now in this scenario, what we are doing here, benzene C double bond O and O minus, I am removing O minus here, I am not, now C double bond O, just 1 second, this one H and this one double bond O, okay, and supply H, no? I think apply H here, okay, H, correct. Now in this condition, in case of OH, we remove O and then so their hydrogen bonding. This will be a stronger hydrogen bonding because we have a complete anion. In this condition, if we remove H, what we see, there are nothing, no such type of effect. But before removing H, we can see that there is H and there could be a hydrogen bonding in between them, correct. In this effect will motivate this group to release their H, but this time this effect, this hydrogen bonding will demotivate this group to remove their H, because in this condition, after removing H, there was a very strong hydrogen bonding. But in this condition, before removing H, there was a strong hydrogen bonding, correct. There is a hydrogen bonding which will stabilize the molecule, which will stabilize this hydrogen. Now its tendency to donate this hydrogen will decrease, because after donating, what will happen, if we remove this H, then there will be no hydrogen bonding, there will be no extra stability. Similarly, in this condition, if we do not remove H, see what will happen. If we will not remove H, then this H and this H, there could be a hydrogen bonding, but their extent will be less. But as we remove this H, there will be a very strong hydrogen bonding among O and H, correct. Is it correct? Because you know dipole-dipole interaction, anion and dipole interaction, you know dipole-dipole and anion and dipole. This one is a complete anion and dipole interaction, which is stronger than dipole-dipole interaction, correct. This effect, in this condition, hydrogen bonding motivating carboxylic acid to donate their H, but in this condition, hydrogen bonding demotivating carboxylic acid to donate their H, because this time this H is stabilized by hydrogen bonding. Is it correct? Okay, I hope you get it. Now what we will do, at first we will remove all the acidic H, remove the acidic H first, yeah, yes, this one, okay. Now apply negative charge, negative charge, negative charge and negative charge. Now see, the first one have minus M effect and minus I, second one have minus I, third one have minus M and minus I, fourth one have no effect, Then what will be the order? All the minus effect increase the stability. So first and third have higher stability than second and fourth. In between first and third, I am writing, this is first, this is second, this is third and this is fourth. Okay, now first and third have higher stability than second and fourth. And now compare first and third. The first have higher minus I. Okay, I'm not applying ortho till now. We'll find the order, then we will apply ortho effect. Okay, the minus I will stabilize, since minus I is in the first minus I is more than third, so its stability will be more. Then what will write? First then third. Now second and fourth, compare second and fourth. Fourth have no effect, second have minus I. Minus I means additional effect will increase their stability. The second will be more than fourth. Now the first thing, see that ortho effect of this group is what? Ortho effect say ortho substituted benzoic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid. You can see here this is more acidic than benzoic acid, that is already available. Now we no need to change much, but one thing we have to change. That in the first condition, this hydrogen which we removed just now, that hydrogen was stabilized by a weak hydrogen bonding, which is not available in third. So this rest all effects are similar, but in this time this ortho will decrease their acidic strength, correct, because this ortho is stabilizing their H, so its tendency to donate their H will be less. It means after donating O minus will be less stable or acidic strength will be less. Is it correct? Okay. Then so what I am saying, now first order was correct, this is more acidic than benzoic acid, but one thing what I am saying that ki ortho in this condition, ortho have weak hydrogen bonding, means here ortho effect is applicable, and this ortho effect is decreasing their stability, correct. And here inductive is less, so I just told you that inductive or ortho, which will dominate? Ortho dominate. This time ortho decreasing their stability. So what it will do? It will decrease their stability, correct. Due to their hydrogen bonding, their tendency to donate H plus will decrease, but it will decrease just below the para position. Okay, then one will become after third, then second and fourth. Is it correct? Go through all these questions again. If you have any doubt, ask me on WhatsApp. If you want to call, you can call me. Then only we will go further. Okay. कुछ भी दिक्कत है तो पूछिए, एंड फिर भी कुछ दिक्कत हो तो आप ऑर्डर को याद रखिए, ये ऑर्डर बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। लेक्चर के लास्ट सारे क्वेश्चन होने के बाद मैं इसका डेटा वैल्यू भी आपको दे दूंगा, आप वहाँ से भी याद रख सकते हैं, मगर ये ऑर्डर आपको याद होने ही चाहिए। क्लियर है? ओके।